40 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 35 cents, just by taking surveys, and you earn this big amount. Okay, so if you want to know how this is done, kindly subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and comment your country below so I can know where you are from. Okay, so come over to this platform called pdera.com. Okay, is one of the best platform to turn your time into money. Okay, so don't create an account first, because I want to tell you guys full details about this platform. If you miss any part, you might not get paid. Okay, so these are the list of some offers you can do, and there is no qualification test for this. So for this platform, there's no qualification test, and it's available for all country, and it's a thing you can do anytime, anywhere. Okay, you can do it on both on laptop, computer, mobile phone, any devices that has internet access. Okay, so let me show you guys how you guys can take surveys. So you tap on take survey, then you let it load, then you scroll down and tap on start survey. Then you begin the survey, and they'll be asking you simple question. Okay, and before I end this video, I will tell you guys how this platform are generating their money, so as to pay you guys, so you guys can know that it's actually paying and not a scam site. Okay, they're asking me for my gender. I'll tap on male. Now they say scroll down to continue. You scroll down, you see next. Very simple. It's loading. Can be my service might be quite slow. Okay, but bear with me. You scroll down to continue. You scroll down and you tap continue. It take you over to the next question. Okay, so you repeat this till you finish the survey, and anytime you finish survey you get paid 50 cents, that's $0.5. And there are a lot of offers available. If you can see it here, a lot of offers available that you can complete anytime when you are less busy. Okay, and the good thing about this platform is that you can even create multiple accounts using multiple devices and earn maximum money from this platform for free, just by answering surveys, simple surveys. Okay, simple survey. So this platform actually gets their revenue from ads. If you can see, is, let me show you. I think they get their money from Google ads, because their ads showing on the platform, every section of the platform. I'm currently not logged in, that's why ads are not showing. But once you register and log in, you'll be seeing a list of ads. But that's not necessary. Your own motive here is just to make the money from this wonderful website. Okay, so let me go back to the home page and show you guys something. Okay, you can see unlimited tax. We're providing unlimited tax to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can earn per day. That means can earn a limited amount per day. Okay, and you can also get paid by inviting friends and family to join this platform. Okay, and the best part about this platform is that instant payment. When you reach minimum payout, you get paid instantly. You get paid instantly. That means if you withdraw now, you get your payment today. Okay, and I think the minimum payout there is $50, in which you can have complete in a day or two if you actually work hard. Okay, and I think the payment method is PayPal, and we all know that PayPal is available for most countries. And if you don't know how to create, if you don't know how to create PayPal account, or if PayPal is not available in your country, check the link, check description of this video. I've dropped a YouTube link there on how you can use PayPal if PayPal is not accepted in your country. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, look at some taxes they offer: sign up tax, complete survey, upload videos, invite friends, write about us. Okay, so you get paid doing any of these, but this one you earn more from completing surveys. Okay, I can see they have over 930,000 members, and totally the members have completed over 7.8 million tasks, and they have paid over 15, 16, okay, $1,000. Okay, you see that this site is actually paying. And these are your dashboard to look like something like this. Today total earning. Okay, so this platform is cool and very easy to join. So if you want to check out some proof, you can tap on this link here. Okay, but I'm not tapping it because currently my service is bad and to take time to load. So I want, because I want to make this video short so you guys can watch the end and try it today. Okay, so if you want to register an account, just tap on I want to register an account. When you tap on I want to register an account, it's very easy for you to sign up. The winning process is very easy. They ask for simple sign up details. You see, okay, let's scroll down. Sorry. Okay, now say create a free account and start making money. Okay, join today and make 15% more for all your completed tasks. Okay, and do you know something funny about this is when you complete like 10 surveys, you can see you can create like 10 surveys. It's not they are paying you 50 cents, 40 cents, 35 cents. Once you complete 10 surveys in a day, the payout will increase to like $1, 8 cents per surveys you'll be getting. And so if you keep answering more, the amount they'll be paying you per each survey will also increase. Okay, so the more you do, the more you earn on this platform. Okay, so he said you should take at least one survey before you sign up. So you tap on click here and they'll just ask you a short survey. You can see the survey is about smartphone, and after completing it you get paid 25 cents. So if you're interested, you just tap on start survey and just answer the survey. You can input real details if you want, and you can also just play safe and input any details. They're not confirming anything, they just want you to complete the survey, because while you're completing the survey you'll be seeing some ads. As you can see here, this is an ad, this is an ad. So there's ads on this site, so you can see different ads. So once while you are completing the surveys, you're also viewing ads and they are making money. So from the money they are making, that's why they will pay you guys. So what's your gender? You tap on male. If you are a female, tap on female. Then you scroll down and tap on next. So that's how you continue till you reach the end of survey and register an account. Okay, with that all said, I will want you guys to try this platform out. Okay, so if you encounter any issue while trying to register or withdrawing or taking surveys, kindly comment below in the description of this video or contact me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description of the video. So if you want to talk to me one-on-one so I can resolve your issue. Okay, and please don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family. You can share it to your status, Facebook, WhatsApp, any platform. I really appreciate. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you on Saturday. Thank you very much.